How to fix please wait a minute before you can try again error on Instagram. Whenever you try to log into your Instagram, if this issue is constantly showing in your screen, then this video is for you. To solve this, first of all, what you need to do is you have to check if any update is available to your application or not. To check this, first of all, launch your App Store on your device. From there, on the searching bar, search for Instagram. Now, if there is update button, then simply hit on that to update your application. Once you do that, go through settings and hit on the general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. At last, you will see Instagram. Tap on it and do delete your application. Once you do all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.